Hi guys, that's from the YouTube user that's our owner. This is that's awesome. It's back here to the YouTube. This is the user. Eating to Harvest Sucks Balls. It's back. That's the bad news today. And look at this vest here. This user has not going to enter us to my YouTube channel. This is the new video, and let's play the new video here. What the? 6200 is gay? I'm hate this video. Let's go. That's what's this button? Yes. Look, that's this living on United States, and this head so it's to address, and that's about it.